Choose the best transition. A transition is a word or phrase that connects one idea to another or helps move between ideas. Let's look at an example. Dogs are the best pets because they like to play. Also, they love to go on walks. The words because and also are transitions that connect ideas or help move between ideas. When choosing the best transition, follow these key steps. First, read both sentences. Then, look at the bolded transition word. A bolded word appears darker than the words around it. Finally, determine which transition is being used correctly. A correct transition should not be out of place and should help connect ideas. Let's look at an example. You are writing a paragraph arguing that the beach is the best place to visit. Which option uses the bolded transition correctly? A. The beach is fun because there is a lot to do. So, you can build a sandcastle. B. The beach is fun because there is a lot to do. For instance, you can build a sandcastle. When I'm looking at these sentences, I'm trying to determine which transition best connects my idea of the beach being fun and building a sandcastle. The transition in option A doesn't make a lot of sense in connecting those two ideas. But in option B, we use for instance. That is an example transition. So, my sentence is telling me that building a sandcastle is an example of why the beach is fun. So, option B is the correct answer. Let's look at another example together. You are writing a paragraph arguing that hot dogs taste better than hamburgers. Which option uses the bolded transition correctly? A. Hot dogs are the best food because they are very tasty. B. Hot dogs are the best food. They are very tasty because. In this example, both sentences use the same transition, because. However, one of my sentences is putting the word because in the wrong place. Option B uses because at the end of a sentence. That doesn't really make sense, and it doesn't connect two ideas together. Option A, however, uses because to connect two ideas, so I know that's the correct answer. Now it's your turn. You are writing a paragraph arguing that school should start later. Which option uses the bolded transition correctly? A. School should start later so kids can get more sleep. B. School should start later also kids can get more sleep. Which option uses the bolded transition correctly? That's right. Option A is the correct answer. Keep these examples in mind as you practice choosing the best transition.